Welcome to Learn, Study and Grow. Subscribe to my channel. I am feeling happy. I am feeling happy. Let's go to the amusement park. Let's go to the amusement park. Can I have a coloring book? Can I have a coloring book? Let's play with car. Let's play with car. I am feeling excited. I am feeling excited. Let's go to the aquarium. Let's go to the aquarium. Can I have a board game? Can I have a board game? Let's play with puppet. Let's play with puppet. I am feeling curious. I am feeling curious. Let's go to the petting zoo. Let's go to the petting zoo. Can I have a jigsaw puzzle? Can I have a jigsaw puzzle? Let's play with animals. Let's play with animals. I am feeling scared. I am feeling scared. Let's go to the toy store. Let's go to the toy store. Can I have a building set? Can I have a building set? Let's play with Play-Doh. Let's play with Play-Doh. I am feeling surprise. I am feeling surprise. Let's go to the nature reserve. Let's go to the nature reserve. Can I have a toy truck? Can I have a toy truck? Let's play with dinosaur. Let's play with dinosaur. I am feeling grateful. I am feeling grateful. Let's go to the science center. Let's go to the science center. Can I have a toy plane? Can I have a toy plane? Let's play with robot. Let's play with robot. I am feeling proud. I am feeling proud.